2008 Ford Ranger with a 4-liter.
I'm going to start the engine up, and then we're just going to look here and watch the numbers here, the percentage of the fuel trim. Either it's going to minus or add. So with no minus sign, it's adding fuel. And for this truck, I think it pegs out at 24 on the long term and 24 on the short term. So as you can see here, the short term is immediate. This is what's happening in real time. So the long-term fuel trim is what's happening over a longer period of time once the PCM, the main engine computer, has seen that there is either a deficiency of fuel or a surplus of fuel. And in this case, it's adding lots of fuel because we see the percentage going really high. So we're seeing it's pretty much pegged out.